System errors causing the mssoap1 Library DLL crashes in Microsoft SOAP Toolkit v1.0. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we dive into the mssoap1 library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the mssoap1 library, the Microsoft SOAP Toolkit v1.0, a legacy unmanaged runtime for processing Simple Object Access Protocol SOAP messages. It facilitates the orchestration of XML-based network data link manifests for early web services and RPC communication. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scannow. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as mssoap1 Library DLL. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing mssoap1 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of mssoap1 Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing mssoap1 library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.